Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Labo babonayo ngama-members we-EFF acasukile kakhulu amashele ema-ofisini. Sizoluthola udaba oluphelele ngabo, kodwa bengithe ngikukhombise le video. Lena ngezinye zeyindlela mina nje personally engahambelani nazo zokuzwakalisa ukungenami kwakho mawumuntu noma ukungathokozeli isimo esithize, ngoba akuphethi ngokuthi kugcine kunje. Kugcina kukonakale isakhiwo leso, kugcina konakale ezinye izinto kanti bekulungiswa okunye. Uzobona nje kunevideo engizokufakela noma isithombe, angazi ngisazobona ndini engizoyifaka isithombe noma ivideo, lapho khona amphumela yale toyitoyi isigcine yona ngisho isakhiwo. Ubone ukuthi okay bekuyokhalela okunye kodwa sekonakala okunye, hayi lokho bekuyolungiswa. Asingene odabeni lokuthi njengoba kunje kwenze njani.
In my capacity as the regional secretary of the EFF in this region, to give our councillors a mandate as to what must happen moving forward. I'm here today with my councillors. Some of them, they've been chased away by security officers. But the reason I'm here to give mandate. Our mandate is to raise this issue in council with our councillors. Uguti, IFP administration must declare vacancies, 3 vacancies of EFF councillors who were expelled from the party. They claimed Uguti there is a pending case in court. Mind you, I'm a lawyer by profession. I've been to the High Court, Durban, where a case was opened against the EFF and the municipality. That case was struck off the roll without any further date in court. So as I stand here, nothing stopped the city manager to declare the vacancy here. I come here, I'm told there's a letter written by Mzulwini attorneys or something of that nature. I'm not interested.
Uma ke silalela labathi kunama-members awu-3 we-EFF. Lama members ngathi bowangamakhansela. So i-EFF yayisiyabaxosha. Isibaxoshile ki-EFF, babonakala besebenza laphaya. Bayabonakala bayasebenza ngathi phansi kwayo i-EFF noma i-EFF isibaxoshile bona njengamalunga wayo. So bademand ukuthi i-IFP ngathi yephethe laphaya ayideclare ukuthi labantu njoba bexoshiwe i-EFF bese kuba kuvuleka ama-post a-vacant awu-3, okungukuthi labantu laba bebe ngamakhansela we-EFF mhlampe ngokungaziphathi kahle base beyaxoshwa. Uyachaza lo baba ukuthi lavulwa icala lakhona lakhishwa enkantolo, kodwa la ngaba na date ukuthi lizobuyela nini nizokwenza, kodwa uthi it was struck off the roll, okusho ukuthi alizange libe ingxenye yamacala azoqhubeka enkantolo. Manje baxake kabona uma sekukhona abantu okuthiwa bayasebenza la ekubeni bona abalindele ukuthi kuvula ama-vacancies. So bafuna i-IFP ideclare laphaya ukuthi cha, labantu laba njengoba bexoshiwe i-EFF ngensolo lezi engabangakwenzanga kahle, kuney'khala ezu-3 ey'vulekile. Iyona nje into esho yilo baba ophethe i-EFF. Ngicela ukukhombisa kumonakalo owenzeke njengesikhathi betoyitoya laphaya. Njengoba ubona nje emveni kwalesithombe kuzongena ivideo la uzobona khona ukuthi yini le egcine yenza ukuthi kufele fastela libe nje. Njengoba ubona nje la ama-security ayiwana security avikela i-building le, avikele le ndawo ukuthi kungangeni izinto noma kanjani. Isizathu sokuthi kungene la makhansela nalaba abaholi bale mashe khona i-EFF baze bawubamba bakenye i-security balisuse emnyango isiphi? Ngoba phela uma ngabe khona into bebezoyikhuluma efuneka bashiye abantu phandle bangene ngaphakathi kahle nge-order ngoba besebengenile bahambe-ke bayoyikhuluma indaba yakhona. Uma ngase nje umnikazi we-building, ngoba esikhathini esiningi ama-building anje kusuke kungama-offices arentiwe. Umnikazi we-building uma engase abavulela i-case sekungokunye, and manje le case mase livulwa ngeke sa-charge bonke labantu abebekhona, lizo-charge lo bonakele ekinye security. Lento ikhombisa ngokwami ikhombisa ukungakhuli kahle, ngoba ufuna mangama kuthiwa khona izinto ezingahambi kahle ayixoxe phela kahle. Angithi bese befikile ema-ofisini, angazi mina noma i-IFP izobezwa kangcono nama sebengene bonke ngaphakathi, ngoba mase befika ngaphakathi angeke bakhulume bonke. So isizathu nje sokuthi kinye security ngoba befuna i-security livikela i-building, alivimbi ukuthi bangangeni bazoletha izikhalo zabo, livikela i-building. Nansi into ehamba phambili, i-security livikela i-building ngoba liqashelwe lokho ukuthi kungenwe nge-order, kwenzeke izinto ngendlela nangomthetho. Kodwa uma kuzoqhubeka kwenzeka izinto ezinje, noma ngathiwa abantu bacasulwe yini, kodwa indlela abaziphathe ngayo labe EFF kimi ibukeka ingeyinhle, ikhanda isithombe esibi. Nakumuntu koyithanda i-EFF mhlawumbe ufuna ukuyivotela ngoba ethanda indlela enza ngayo izinto, kodwa ukuziphatha kwabo makunje hayi akukho kuhle. Mina angikuncomi ukutoyitoya, ngiyakuncoma ukutoyitoya okusemthethweni, toyitoya kodwa kungadamejeki impahla, akungadamejeki impahla. Abantu abazwakalisa izikhalo zabo nokungenami kwabo, kodwa akungadamejeki impahla, ngoba ekugcineni kosuku njengoba ubonile kule sithombe ngisifake ekuqaleni, ifile-ke manje elokozane la fastela eliyingxenye yomnyango iselifile-ke. Ubani osekufuneka alikhande? Umnikazi we-building mase sekuthiwa funeka charge abantu, akeze ukucharge bonke labantu abebekhona, kuzovele kulandwe laba bebephambili. Hayi, abantu bakithi engathi bangashintsha indlela yokwenza kuhle, khona basukile bafike ema-ofisini. Phela mase fika ema-ofisini bayokhuluma ngaphakathi, akungene laba abangama-leader bayokhuluma. Mase beqedile ukukhuluma babuye batshela abantu ukuthi cha, nansi i-report esiyitholile. Kwabakenzile kuhle ngoba khona into engahambanga kahle ukuthi ngafike kuxoshwa abantu abawu-3 baphinde baqhubeke besebenze, noma sebexoshiwe i-EFF, bebengamakhansela e-EFF, baxoshiwe i-EFF. Bekufuneka vele mase bexoshiwe kukwenziwe inhle njengoba esho lo bhuti ukuthi befuna bona balindele ukuthi inkatha lapha ivule izikhala ezivacant ezu-3. Lokho kuyezwakala, kodwa ukudamejeka kwempahla ikhona esingahambelani nakho. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.